safe! We are not safe! We are not safe!
A walkout at the school at Marygrove in Detroit Thursday morning.
You can't have a school without the students. And they say we a social justice school. We got to show them some social justice.
Students making their voices heard 2 days after video went viral of their classmate pulling out what appears to be a gun and points it at another student as the student quickly gets away. It happened the same day as a deadly mass shooting took place at an elementary school in Texas.
We've witnessed an elementary school get shot up in this past week. We've also witnessed one of our own students bring what looked like a firearm in school.
Teachers also at Thursday's walkout.
I'm a teacher here, and all I care about is the safety of my student. As a new school, we got to have the safety measures here, so we got to have them done.
Students say they have a list of demands for school officials so that they can feel safe on school property.
I feel like we need at least 2 security guards, at least 2. We have the biggest high school in DPS. We need our drive-through area to be a check-in area for all guests and or students or faculty. The metal detectors, oh, that's a mandatory.
The student walkout comes as the 15-year-old student seen in this video was charged in connection with the possession of a weapon on school property. The prosecutor's office told Fox 2 that it's alleged the 15-year-old brought a BB gun to the school and pulled the weapon out during class and was later taken into custody.
That it's so easy for us to get in and out of the building. Anybody can bring anything in. It's not safe for us to be in here.
Fox 2 reached out to DPSCD. School officials say the principal of the high school is meeting with students and staff, and they value the voices of the school community. Officials also say additional security is visible on campus and additional counselors will be on hand for those who need them. The district also released a statement which reads in part, "A parent meeting is set for Friday to hear the concerns of Marygrove families and to discuss sustainable solutions." Back at the walkout, students believe their focus should be learning, not fear.
I feel like fear has no place in the school. There's no reason for me and my peers to be at school 40 hours a week and not feel safe.
In Detroit, Ingrid Kelly, Fox 2 News.